Hello everyone, myself Heli Mehta, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Our subject is Database Management System. Our unit is 9, that is SQL concept. Today our topic is maths numeric functions. So numeric functions are used to perform operations on the number and returns number. So column must be with the data type number. Okay, so we have to perform the functions on the columns, and the data type of this column must be number as we are performing numeric functions. Following are the numeric functions defined in the SQL. So first function is absolute. Okay, so the function is ABS. Okay, function is always start with bracket and end with bracket. Okay, so this is the function. It returns the absolute value of the number. Okay, so if we give any input, it will give the absolute value of the input value. So syntax is select. So we have to use statement select. So select ABS is a function. Start with bracket and with bracket. Okay, now for example, in bracket we have to write the value. Okay, so see here, for example, select absolute, we are giving the value minus 15. Okay, in bracket, in double quotes we have to write absolute from dual. Dual means from system. Okay, so it will give the output 15. Okay, the absolute value of minus 15 is 15, so output will be 15. So this absolute function give the returns the absolute value of the number. So function is used ABS. Now second is square root. Okay, so SQRT is the function name. It returns the square root of the number. So syntax is simple. We have to use the select statement. So select square root bracket. Okay, so for example, we write select square root of 49. So in bracket we have to write the value. In double quotes we have to write the square root from dual, means from system it will give the output. Okay, so square root of 49 is 7. So output will be 7. So square root function is used to give the square root of the given number. Next is power. Okay, it returns m raised to the nth power. Okay, so if 2 raised to 2 means 4. Okay, so it will give the output of power. Okay, so function is select power. In bracket we have to give two arguments, that is number and power. Okay, so see here we have a statement select. Power is our function. Now if we want to find 2 raised to 2, so 2 is our number and raised means 2. Okay, so 2 raised to 2, it will give the output 2. Okay, so here we have to in double quotes we have to write raised from dual. Okay, so output will be 4. If we write 3 raised to 2, okay, so 3 is our number and raised to 2. Okay, then it will give the output according to that. Okay, so 2 is the number and this is the power. So 2 raised to 2 means output will be 4. Now next is the greatest. Okay, so it will give the largest value from the list of expression. So select greatest. Okay, so example, select greatest, we are giving the value 1592. Okay, so output will be 9. Largest from dual. Okay, now next is list. It returns the smallest value in the list of the expression. From the list it will give the smallest value. So select list. Okay, for example, select list 1 5 9 10, smallest from dual, so it will give the output 1. Next is mode function. Okay, so mode means remainder. It returns the remainder of the n divided by m. So here also we have to give two arguments in the function. So select is the statement. Select mode n comma m. Okay, so n is a value and we are divided by m. Okay, so select mode 17 comma 5. So 17 is our value and we are dividing 17 by 5. So when we divide 17 by 5, the remainder will be 2. So our answer will be 2. Next is round. Okay, so it will give the round value. It returns a number rounded to a certain number of the decimal places. Okay, so select round is our function. Okay, so for example, select round in bracket, we have a value 55.1660. Okay, and comma we have to give the how many how many value we want to round. So we are giving 2, so it consider 55.16. Okay, after 16 we have a 6 over here, so it will return 55.17. It is these all are the mathematical function, you all know it very well. Okay, so here only we have to remember the function name. Okay, in function we have to pass the arguments, and we have to use select statement for every math function. Okay, now next is the floor. Okay, it returns the largest integer value that is less than or equal to a number. Okay, so select floor. Okay, in bracket if we are writing 17.36, then it will give us out 17 as a output. So select floor 17.36 floor from dual. Okay, so it will give the output 17, and if it is selling function, it returns the smallest integer value that is greater than or equal to a number. Okay, so select selling. Okay, select selling in bracket 17.36, then it will give the output 18. So selling from the dual. So these all are the numeric functions used in the SQL. Thank you.